Iran has suspended visa-free entry for Indian citizens. The decision came into effect on November 22. From now on, Indians holding ordinary passports must apply for a visa before entering Iran. This move ends the visa waiver facility that Iran introduced in February 2024. At that time, Iran allowed citizens of more than 30 countries, including India, to visit without a visa. The aim was to encourage tourism and improve people-to-people ties. But things changed after several disturbing cases came to light. India's Ministry of External Affairs says many Indians were misled by criminals. These criminals promised jobs in Iran or onward travel to other countries. They used the visa-free rule to convince people that travel would be easy and safe. The MEA says these offers were fake. The visa waiver was meant only for tourism. It allowed a stay of 15 days once every 6 months. It did not allow work of any kind, but many Indian travelers did not know this. They trusted agents who claimed they could help them get jobs abroad. When these Indians arrived in Iran, many were kidnapped. Criminal gangs targeted them, seized their passports and demanded ransom from their families. The MEA says these gangs often work with dishonest travel agents in India. Together, they tricked people into traveling to Iran with false promises. India had already warned citizens about this pattern. In September, the MEA said that several Indians had been held hostage in Iran after going there for work. Officials urged people not to travel for employment under the visa waiver rule. After reviewing the situation, Iran decided to suspend the visa-free entry for Indians. The MEA says Iran took this step to prevent further misuse of the facility. It is meant to stop criminal networks from exploiting innocent travelers. The Indian government now advises all citizens to be extremely careful. Travelers should avoid any agent who offers visa-free travel to Iran. They must also ignore promises of jobs or transit to other countries through Iranian territory. Anyone planning to visit Iran must now follow the full visa process. For many, this decision may come as a setback, but officials say safety comes first. Both countries want to stop human trafficking and protect vulnerable travelers. For now, the message is clear. Indians should not rely on shortcuts, agents or unverified job offers. They should stay informed and follow official guidelines before planning any foreign travel.